Welcome back to the channel. So for this week's race, we're gonna have the RSX, the one in the middle, the Type S, versus the GSR Swapped B16 transmission EG Hatch. We're just gonna do a few 40s, and Manny may be in on the runs as well, but we'll see when we're in there. From the races, the GSR, he got him. There was one race where the RSX was pulling, but I think he missed third gear. That's what he said. So honestly, I think the GSR with the long block definitely gets the RSX when it's not tuned, because Manny with his E85 tune, he raced him a few times and he would get him in the top end. Anyways, hopefully you guys liked that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.